This is what the rainy season usually looks like in Anambra State in southeastern Nigeria. And this is what the same community looks like now. Swollen rivers have inundated numerous towns and villages across Nigeria, causing 1.4 million people to flee their homes for camps set up on higher ground.
We are suffering, but suffering is better than stealing. That's why we are here in this condition. The clothes that I'm wearing are the only ones I have left. The flood carried away all our belongings.
All our schools have been destroyed by water, so our plea is anyone that can help us should help us. Anyone that can help us should help us, please.
And with the number of farmlands that are being washed away, there are concerns about food scarcity in the coming months. Southeastern Nigeria is at risk of flooding at least until the end of the rainy season in November. With key infrastructure swallowed by water, many of the flooded communities are without power. Critical infrastructures such as schools, healthcare centers, police stations, and banks can't operate.